Guys, in this video I will talk about four important myths and how to avoid rejection of US visa interview. So there is so many questions in my Instagram regard GRE, lower score or higher score, GPA. Some students are worrying about their GPA, higher or lower, and there some students are they are tense regard their high rank university or lower rank university. There is some more important point I will clear in this video. So I will start the first important myths like GRE. I have so many questions in my Instagram regard GRE, lower or higher score. Students are worrying that if I have a lower GRE score, so it may affect my visa interview, or so from my personal experience, and I have got some point of view of real visa officer, thought of real visa officer about this these 2 points, GRE and GPA. So in terms of higher GRE, it will if visa officer will ask you about your GRE. In terms of higher GRE, it will your strong point. But if your GRE score is lower, it will not affect your interview. In my personal experience is the 90% of visa officer will not look at your GRE score, will not ask you about your GRE score. If you have your I-20 or if you have your admission offer letter from university, so it will enough, and ambassador or visa officer will not reject you or will not ask you about this GRE lower score. You must present yourself like a genuine student. If your GRE score is lower, but if you will present yourself really well, genuinely, it will approve your visa. The next point is similar point like GRE. Some students are worrying about their GPA. That I have so many questions in my Instagram regard the GPA, lower GPA. That I have a lower GPA in my bachelor or master. So it will same. I will handle it from my personal experience. Ambassador will not ask you about your lower GPA, but ambassador will judge you from a different question. He will find you if you are fake or genuine student, or if you will present yourself genuinely, and if you if your GPA score is lower, it will not affect yourself. But most important thing is that you should present yourself genuinely. How you can present yourself genuinely? It's totally depend upon your preparation. If your preparation is higher level preparation, so it may be ambassador will ask you different questions related to your course, related to your university, related to your state, related in which university, in which state your university is. So this kind of question you must clear you must present your idea, your perception like a genuine student, that you have your intention is like a genuine student. And ambassador will find you that you are not a genuine student, and your intention is only to get a visa, so then he may reject, he can reject you. Otherwise, if your GPA score is lower, it will not affect your interview, visa interview. So the next question, there is a lot of students, they are worrying about high rank university or lower rank university. Some students, they have their I-20 and they have their admission offer letter in a lower ranking university, and they are worrying about that it may be maybe my visa will be rejected this point. But now here I will give the perception of a real visa officer who worked in embassy. So I asked him or her, a lot of visa officer, they gave their perception about this question, that it will not affect. If your university ranking is higher, it may be a strong point, but if your university ranking is lower, then the ambassador will ask you about this university, that why this university, and then you must clarify yourself like a genuine student, and must give your intention like you are going to only for a study, and they can, ambassador or visa officer can ask you related question, different question, and then if you can present yourself really well, that why this university, why this particular state, and why about the course, about your relevant question, if you will present yourself genuinely, then ambassador or visa officer will not look at your high rank university or lower rank university. If your university is lower, it will not affect your visa interview. Okay, and the next question, in my Instagram I have like immediate family member. There is a lot of consultant, they are forcing the students that if you have immediate family member in the USA, and if your immediate family member is a green card holder, or if your immediate family member or your blood relative in the USA has a green card or citizenship, so please and you are going to USA for F1 visa, so and if your brother or your immediate family member are working in the same or similar state in USA, so if you should mention your immediate family member that you are going to USA and you will live there, and these all the point in my personal experience, and I will give you the I will share the real visa officer perception in this immediate family member regard this question, that if some visa officer or give this kind of answer, that it will your positive sign. If somebody immediate family member, your immediate family member in the USA, and he or she has got their citizenship or or the green card holder, and they are working in the similar state and the similar in a company, and you are going also in the similar state. So if you will mention him or you will mention about his status, so it will positive sign. So this is my video. Please subscribe my channel. I will come with the next video. I will clear more important myths in next video. If you will subscribe my channel, you may get more help from this channel. Thanks. Take care.